Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a glitch transitions on CapCut PC. So this video is actually requested by one of you in the comments, and I want to make this video right here. I already add like a three clips here, and I want to add a glitch transition on it. So first, what you need to do after you import your clips, you can just go to transition, and in here you can find, if you scroll down, there's a glitch category on the transitions here. Just click on that and you'll see a list of like glitches transitions that you can use. So you can just choose the one that you like. For example, I want to just add this glitch right here, so click on the arrow down first to download the transition and click on the plus icon to add it to track. So I want to adjust it. For example, you can adjust the duration, and if you want to add another one, just click on this again and it will be added to your video. Okay, like this. Here is the transition and the video will look like this. Okay, so that's it. That is how you can add a glitch transitions on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.